Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is RJ, and welcome to my crypto journey. Today, on this video, let's go ahead and review a smart contract. This smart contract came to my attention yesterday when one of my friends, who also happens to be a programmer, asked me to check it out. And surprisingly, this is something similar to our concept. So let's go ahead and get dirty with the smart contract codes. Let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and start. Now, as you all know, I always want to get dirty with the codes because the codes will not lie. Smart contracts, when they're deployed, they're already immutable. It means that no one on earth can make changes with what's already programmed here within the codes. So let's go ahead and start reviewing this. Again, this smart contract that we have here right now on our screen is similar. Okay, there are only just slight differences with the smart contract that I was supposed to be endorsing back in October. I mean, back in August, and will also be launched this coming October. So this is something similar, and later on, I will be sharing just the slide of differences that they have, okay, between them. So let's go ahead and get to know about this smart contract. Let's start with the basic first, okay? The minimum investment amount that you can spend to join with this smart contract is 200 TRX. Okay. There is no maximum, and therefore there is no limit. But later on, we'll go ahead and see if that is safe or not. Okay. The base percent. This is going to be your base or your basic daily earnings. Okay. It will start at 2%. Technically, it starts with 1%. That's on their documentation. However, with the bonuses that's already there, and including with the hold bonuses, which is not included here. Okay, this is just going to be the base. All right, so you'll start with 2% daily. Later on, we'll dive deeper into that. Okay, max hold bonus can be up to 0.5%. Okay, this is not 5%. This is 0.5. Okay, so every 24 hours, your hold bonus increases by zero point 0.1. So if you hold, okay, don't make any withdrawals within the next 5 days, you'll cap at zero point 0.5 addition, okay, with the daily basic return. All right. Referral bonus, okay, we have an affiliate program with this smart contract, and it's only on 3 levels. Okay, first level will be 5%, 2%, and 1%. Okay, marketing fee is 8%, project fee is 2%. So if we get that in total, the administration fee is only 10%. Right now, that's the lowest. Okay, compared to what's there in the market right now. Okay, all right. So we have a time step. Later on, I will be discussing more about this. There are security measures also embedded here in this smart contract. Okay. I'm not really fun in mentioning any other programs, but I'm gonna do it this time. Tron had an anti-dumping system, which is not even true. Okay, they have dirty codes. The first time that I made a review with Tron, man, those codes are really suspicious, and they do have so many loopholes. All right, that's why it didn't last. Okay, this one I am foreseeing that it can last with the right community. But before me go ahead and dive into that, let's go ahead and get details first. Okay, time step. This only means that you can only make a withdrawal every 24 hours. Okay, so if you withdrew today, okay, um, you can't make any other withdrawals within the 24 hours period. Okay, so you would have to wait for another day. We have a leader bonus, okay, and we have the max leader percent, the 0.5%. Later on, we'll get more specifics about that. Okay, okay. So what else? Let's go ahead. I hope those few details there was clear. So they have three levels of the referral program, which is true. So we all have that here declared into their program. Okay, so that's clean. Okay, so what else can we see here? So this is the parameter that we use, okay, to determine whether if you met the minimum amount for investing, which is only 200 TRX. Awesome. Okay. What else? So these are the setup codes. These are the setup arrays for the levels, okay, of your invites. So again, you have 3 levels, so that's clean. Okay, unlike other programs when they say like they only support or they only offer 3 levels of their affiliate system or their affiliate program. Sometimes you would see here there are like more than what they declared. So that's purely scam. This one is very clean. Okay. So let's go ahead and jump into one of the great details and one of the cleanest approach that I've seen so far. And this is really something similar, okay, as to how I want to create my smart contract. And I want to show it to you guys because this is what you can expect. So as you can see here, this is the function for, hang on guys, for withdrawing, okay? When you make a withdrawal, automatically the system will reinvest 40% of your withdrawable amount. It means that you can only take out 60% of your earnings. And the best part here is that 40% automatically gets deposited back into your account. So you're adding 40%. It's an auto reinvest feature and it is one of the cleanest. It uses simple math, safe math, and later on I'm going to show you the evidence without even looking into the code. So we would avoid our nose bleeding completely, right? So that's clearly here. Okay. So there you go. 60% of your earnings can be withdrawn. 40% will be going back added, okay, into your deposited amount. Okay. So reinvesting is not a question here, which is good. Okay. There are some programs. Well, actually, I'm planning on doing a contract that would automatically put back 40% of your earnings into the contract balance. It won't be added into your investment, okay, into your deposit. But it doesn't really make any differences. Still, it goes to the contract balance. So might as well take advantage of owning the 40% to be added in your deposit, right? We've seen a lot of smart contracts that already collapse that didn't offer an auto deposit like 40% going back straight to the contract balance and still, okay, they collapse. But this one right here is very clean. Later on I'm going to show you how to check it out. Okay, so what else? Okay, hang on, because I want to skip, okay, some portions of the codes here. Oh, which is those. Actually, I want to skip them to give like respect, okay, to the creator of this program. There are there is actually a security parameter here, a security measure that's included here, and we don't want to give out that details in respect to the creator. This one has clean intentions, so yeah, good job. Okay. So, what I want to see next is that they claim that there is a matching bonus. Okay. Whenever your downlines make a withdrawal, you earn 10% of their withdrawal. So, I want to see that. Okay. That's additional earning. And is that an abuse of the contract balance? Well, not really. Again, um, this smart contract can be sustainable even without a support system. It can be sustainable if the right community would engage in this contract. Okay, it's gonna last. Okay, with the right community. Number one, because the auto reinvest is so clean that the amount of withdrawals doesn't okay, the amounts that you withdraw will not be channeled into on any other wallet. It remains into the contract balance. It's not going to go anywhere. All that's going to come out is just the 60%. And what's really strong about this smart contract is that it uses a simple math so that it wouldn't take out that 40% of your withdrawal into any other wallet addresses. It remains there, and yet automatically it sets an additional 40%, okay, to your amount of deposit. So that's what you call an auto reinvest feature. No other smart contract made that. Never I saw that. Okay, this one is clean. Okay, so that can be one of the standards that this smart contract can contribute to the Tron smart contracts based community platforms. Okay, so that's gonna be it. I want to show you the 10% of the matching bonus. It's over here. Is it true? There you go. So 40% reinvest, 60% will be transferred into your wallets. I want to see that 10% if it's true. Here you go. So um 10% of the withdrawal of your downlines will go to the upline wallet, which means that if you have invites, you'll receive this matching bonus, and it's clean, safe math. 10% will be your earning, which is good. Okay. It promotes it actually promotes users to invite their friends, which could create a big community. Okay, this one right here is clean. Okay, and I like it. Okay, the only slight difference that this will have compared to the smart contract that I'll be endorsing this coming October is that there is one lack of security measure. Okay, so question here is this high risk? Yes, it is. But will it last? Of course it will. Okay, especially if the right community engages with this smart contract. There's a lot to learn about the smart contract, and I plan on doing that. So that being said, will I support this smart contract? Hell yes, I will. Okay. Hell yes, I will, because the way I see the codes, the way how I see it's been developed, it's like me doing it. Okay. So yes, am I happy to see this smart contract? Yes, I am. Okay. So I think you already saw the name of the smart contract. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my contribution. Am I gonna invite you guys? Okay. I know that I already said just a few days back when I gave my views about Tron case that there's really nothing there right now in the Tron network. Well, I'm taking it back. Here it is, guys. Okay, this is one of the few smart contracts that you will see evolving in the market that promotes security measures. We're starting to see good smart contracts, and I am really happy. I am so happy to see that smart contracts are now evolving with security measures. Okay, so I guess this is a good start, and I want to give a big shout out to the developer, whoever you are. Thank you. All right, thank you. Am I gonna help you endorsing this? Yes, I will. Okay. Damn, I'm so happy. Let's go ahead and make that first contribution. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Now here we go. Let's go ahead and make my first deposit, my first contribution. But before that, I want to share with you guys. Okay, for those who are not that really familiar and not knowledgeable on how to read codes, let me show you how perfectly and how clean the auto reinvest feature works in this smart contract. Okay, this is how you check whether if the auto reinvest feature is working properly and is coded properly. Okay, in the smart contract. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Okay, now if we go to the transactions, there we're gonna go ahead and get a sample withdrawal transaction. Okay, so as we all know, okay, if you see a zero amount here into the transactions history, this is a withdrawal. What we want to check is the events that happen inside this withdrawal. Okay, so here you would see here that the funds that's supposed to be going back into your deposits will not be transferred into any other wallet addresses. It will not be channeled to another address. It remains into the contract. Okay. And by using simple math, safe math, you would see that 40% of your withdrawable amount doesn't leave the contract and automatically gets programmed back, okay, into your amount of deposits. So this is what you call an auto reinvest feature. Tron Moon did not have this. Tron Case did not have this, and all other smart contracts that claim to be having or featuring an auto reinvest feature did not have this. This is the only smart contract that you will see how clean it was programmed. So this is a withdrawal, okay, as you can see. And what we want to check is the events that happened, okay, that took place when this withdrawal was initiated. So as you can see here, this is the withdrawal amount. You will see no other addresses here, but the user's address and the smart contract's address. This is the smart contract's address. PBN, PBN. This is the user's wallet address. This one, okay? Withdrawn, new deposit. That's an auto reinvest. I am so excited. I will share more videos to give you guys more specifics and tutorials as we get to learn more about this platform. Again, I am endorsing this because this is just plainly awesome. Okay? So, without any further ado, everyone, welcome to Tron Carry. Okay? So, again, do your own research. It's always good to have that. All right? Best practice. Okay? So, I'm going to go ahead and make my first deposit. I'm going to go and put in the minimal amount because I plan on doing more videos about this and give you guys more tutorials and more technical insights about how the smart contract is built. Okay? I always do that. So, let me go ahead and make a deposit. Hang on. If I click on make deposit, by the way, guys, make sure that your wallets are connected. So if I click this, why is it not opening? Hang on, guys. There you go. Might be a bit slow. I think it's just my internet connection, but yep, it is actually in my end. The website, all right, the website is also capable of accommodating a lot of participants. Bandwidth is not an issue here, okay, with this website as well. So let's go ahead and hang on, sign in. Hang on there, guys. I think I haven't signed in yet. Okay. I think I closed. Okay. Bear with me, guys. Early this morning, our internet service was actually acting slow, but all good here. So we have 2 transactions there. I'm gonna go ahead and close this. And there you have it. Okay. As easy as that. All right. So I was already able to click on it. I clicked on it twice, so I don't want to click on it again. So I'm going to go ahead and reject this. Okay. As you can see, number of deposits, I already have 1. Total invested amount is 200 TRX. I'm rejecting this, but it's still there. Okay. Okay. Just like any other programs, it's really easy to follow. Okay. And as you can see here right now, earnings are already starting to jump into my account. So, more videos to come, guys, okay? If you want to join Tron Carry using my link, you can find that link in the description of this video, all right? So, any more questions or any further questions about how this program works, please let me know, okay? Follow me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Telegram. Send me personal messages. I will be glad to help you guys out to understand how this works. Join my referral link. I'll see you guys in the next videos. Bye for now.